Hi, morning everyone. So I'm out here at the park again to test out. Can you hear the noise? Because I'm going to do audio test today. What am I going to do is this one. I'm going to do audio test on the Pocket 3 with the USB connectors. I don't have the DJI mic, so I'm using other mics, right? So I'm going to test a couple of mics which plugs into the USB. There's no Bluetooth connection for this for other than DJI mic. I'll try on even the Samsung AKG headphones, the USB cable ones. Let's see if what can work, right? Let's just try it out for fun today. And that's why I chose this place which has very loud noise. Look at that. There's all the ducks there. So let's try to get some audio tests now. Right, this is my Doraemon bag with all the mics inside. Let's see what's the first mic that I have. That's very interesting. We keep it simple. Let's try the Samsung headphones. Let's pick it up. See, so many cables, right? So let's try this. Beautiful day. It rained last night, so today is just going to be very hot, but it's still hazy, so not a good day to fly any drones. You like the ducks? There's a heron there. I'm going to take pictures afterwards with my camera, but this is the problem with non-wireless. See, wired stuff, right? You see all the entanglement. So to get this untangled, so I have this USB Type C AKG Samsung headphones. Let's try if it works if I plug it to the side here, right? Does it detect as a microphone? Surprise, surprise. Let me get the headphones. You see, that's why you need wireless, right? So apparently it works. There's a bar on the screen. Maybe I should do a screen recorder for this. Yeah, you can see the audio bar, right, when you talk. So that's how it looks like. It works. So you can just plug in your headphone from Samsung phone or any USB Type C mic phone. Okay, the next thing, you'll be surprised. This is from the Osmo Action, right? This is the dongle. I got it to have mic here. We'll try this just for fun if it goes in. Let's plug it in. Right, does it detect as an audio signal? No, there's no audio signal coming out from this. So this dongle doesn't work. And it works on Osmo Action, right? So it doesn't even sit nicely. So it's a bit too short, right, the dongle. So let's try another one. So the next one I have is the Smallrig. Right, this is the Smallrig wireless. Let's plug this in and see how it works. Let's put the dongle to the back. I hope it works. Holy cow, it works. So so Smallrig. Let's record this again. So Smallrig, right? You can see the audio level there, right? That's the audio level. They can talk, so it does work. I wonder how far can this take, you know. It's not bad. So I have too many mics, that's why I didn't get the combo set. So just for fun, let's see how far can this go, and record me, right? Let's see if I can stand further. Let's put this somewhere here. Yeah. Let's see how far it can go. It's tracking me. So can you still hear my voice? I can see the audio level. Wow, it's crazy good, right? I don't need to buy the extra mics. So it does work. You just put it to the back of the dock and it works. Well, I'm sitting around ends, so don't mind me. So I actually sat on some ends and I'm quite impressed, right? So the left mic works here and it seems to be peaking, so that means it's picking up quite loud the audio, so that's good, right? So well, we won't know until we try it out, right? So does Smallrig work? Yes, it works. All right, the last one is interesting. I think everyone's got one of these, right? This is the Comica BoomX-D, right? Which is a dual channel. You have two left mic or two wireless mic you can connect to this, and because this one using a for camera, so it's using a TRS or TRS connector. You have to put in a USB adapter here. So I put in the USB adapter, and this is the connector for smartphone. So they have for smartphone, for Panasonic phone and Sony phones, right? Sony cameras, right? Or Panasonic cameras. So I chose the one for the smartphone because just now the headphone work from the Samsung, so I'm trying it out. Trying my luck, right? Let's see if this luck works, right? If this works, you guys gonna be happy because you gonna have two mics that you can do interview with. Oh my god! Holy cow! It works. I'm having. Wow, it's so loud. I'm tripping. I've got to control the audio because I think the volume is too loud. Let's bring it. That's the good thing about this because I can control the decibel, and then let's bring it down to 5, and that's clip. Whoa, still clipping. I think this. Let's bring it down 2 decibel. That's 2 decibel. That's still clipping. Um, I'm not sure. Is it? Yeah, it's getting from the camera. Let's try it again. Let's walk far away just to make sure that I'm actually being recorded. And I tell you, the screen on the Pocket 3 is crazy bright in the sunlight. Action 4 not that bright because this OLED screen is very bright. Let's get out and then walk away, and I can still see the volume meter. The screen is so bright I can see it so far away. So this is amazing that so you can use back all your old mics with this, right? So except the Osmo Action one. So it does work. So this is crazy. This is how it looks like. Let me record it from my phone. You know, that's the reason why I sat here, right? Right next to the ducks. Yes, I get constant audio feedback from them. So that's the volume from this Comica BoomX-D. So I can do interviews with this because, oops, it's not in focus. So great, right? So that's wonderful to know. And I hope you like this video and to give me a thumbs up. So I've tested a few mics. You can buy the standard set. The battery on this camera is crazy good, right? It lasts quite long. I did a food vlogging video yesterday with my friend, and it was like it ran for about more than an hour plus, almost 2 hours, and I was down to 70%. That's amazing, DJI. Like I said, this camera, this Pocket 3, is a big jump. I never got the Pocket 1 and 2 because it's really not my style. I'm more an action camera guy. But this Pocket 3 really makes a difference. So I can go and travel now. Rest assured that I'm getting very good footage from this camera for my travel videos, food vlogging or whatever, or going sightseeing in the dark, going late nights. I'm still getting good video. So thumbs up for DJI for coming out with this. I'm an action camera guy, but I'm finally on board with the Pocket series. So kudos for DJI for coming out with this. Well done. Have a nice day. Bye.